Waiting for our food. I ordered food. We will eat here. It's 12:45 here. Okay, this is ready for kamote, which they will get from here because they're already fruits. And this is now the tomato. They've mulched them already. Cut the salingsing needs. Oh, there's fruit already of tomato. Put sticks all over. All tomatoes now. Kamote for planting. Ginger, I'll bring some already in Guadalupe, maybe 50 or 100 kilos so we can sell them there in Guadalupe. I brought Roger, my Korean tomatoes. Look, if I did not bring them, the snails in Guadalupe will finish everything. This is what is left. Arugula is still okay here. Look. Saving some disk space for later. We will try to rerun the motor pump. It's not really run. It runs and then it will stop when it reach where Litoy is. It will stop. So we are rerouting the hose. Litoy is rerouting the hose from a very steep portion. We are now rerouting the hose to a not too steep area. We're following the fair terrain. Okay, kalit man kayo dito. Lit. Oh. Kani kay hinay-hinay siya ba? Patuyo ko na lang nato dit, taas bitaw ni. Saving some space ha. I'll off this first.